November. Final run for the habit for the season. Gonna go out and get some TOG today. Captain Johnny at the helm. What you got going on there, Johnny? Oh, he's ripping some drag, it looks like. November TOG fishing on the habit. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at this guy. Hello. Say hello to my big friend. Nice work. We're killing it out here. What a day. So we got our limit in 40 minutes. Pretty easily. Nice drift though. Johnny can set us right on the fish. See him right there on the finder. Looking solid fish right there. Today's the 6th? November 6th. Last day of the habit in the water. Pretty fitting. Johnny lost 6 weeks due to a motor issue, so he squeaked 3 extra weeks. And he's been grateful indeed. Got some lake TOG fishing. Get picked clean. Get on there, that's the only reason. No doubt. The rebait. Use some green crab today. Picking them up on the way down and onset. Make those tackle. On the line to get green crab today. That's alright. It was worth the wait. May have to go up to another pass, but let's see. Pick up a late one. Goes the ferry. Back to Nantucket. Meanwhile, the Sports Talk Radio guys just blah, 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 blah. Right, we're going to go probably make another pass. Catch the next pass. For another pass. The last pass, he had some weeds on. I got my rod in the rod holder. See what happens. That old trick. Take a look at the fish bugs. Oh, here we go. We go. Fish on. Fighting pretty good, actually. What do you think? Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got so many, we gotta let that one go. Look at it, ain't nothing better than having a full fish box and you let 19, 20-inch keepers go. Get a little closer. Johnny's putting us right on the fish right now. Watching the finder. We'll see pop in there. It's starting to come in now. There they are. See them right there? Look at that. That's what we're looking for. Alright, here we go. See what we got. Little habit magic. Hey, look that rod. Yeah. It's a Shimano bait runner right there. It's called the Captain's Pole. My favorite rig I've ever had. It catches fish. Catch the bite on the rod. There it is. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now the key here is we got to keep him out of the rocks. I just got taken off on the rocks a second ago. He's dancing while he's fishing. Habit style. Habit style. Oh yeah. You know. That's a spot right there. I know. These are all keepers. They're all going back. So yeah. Nice job, Habit. Alright. Well, we're done for the day. Got out here at 9, it's 11. Nasty Habit definitely delivered. Had our limit in 45 minutes, let everything else go. Love it. Thanks for watching.